So you've created a presentation on Google Slides and now you want to present it, but you also want to record it, and maybe you want to record it with the audio as well so you can speak over it. So here's how I would do that for free without downloading any external software. So what you need to do is go ahead and if you're on Windows, go to search, type in snipping tool. I'm about to show you some magic here. Once you're in snipping tool, you can change from the screenshot feature to the record feature. Just ignore this snip here. This is just a thumbnail. Then what you want to do is go to your presentation, then go ahead and click and just enter the slideshow mode. Now this is going to enter in the slideshow. Now if you hold down Alt and Tab on your keyboard, so that is Alt and Tab, you're then going to be able to choose the snipping tool. So it's going to open up this window with all of your windows open, click snipping tool, then click plus, then you can go ahead and drag and fill out the dimensions here. So drag to the presentation. Now we've got that done. You can go ahead and click on your microphone and choose the microphone if you want to record your microphone as well. Then click start. What it's going to do, it's going to count down and it will record only the section that you have selected. Then you can go and present your presentation like normal. You can speak over it, and if you've got your microphone recording, it will obviously pick that up as well. Then go ahead and click stop recording when you've done, and it's telling me there's a problem recording audio. That's because I'm recording this video as well. Don't worry about that. Now we've got this video, and as you can see, it's a working video of the presentation. Then go save in the top right. Then you can go ahead and save this video as an MP4 file anywhere on your computer. So that is how to do it. Leave a like and comment if this helped.